Hi, hello, welcome. Good evening. Today we are going to see about passive income ideas. Okay, how we can generate the passive income uh, in detail we can discuss. Before that, past 4 days we have learned day one um, passive income concepts, and day two how to create financial security, and day three we have learned about how to create wealth wealth, and day four we have how to get the financial freedom. Okay, today we are going to see about passive income ideas. Let's go. So ideas I have given, like how can I create passive income with no money. So passive income can be earned in two ways. The first is to make your money work for you. Yeah, we have to make it money should work for us. So for that, this could be done by investing in the stock market, real estate, or a business. These are all like investment. We can get profit on that stock market and real estate or a business. Once we invest, we can get the money as passive. Okay, passive income. And the second way to earn passive income is to invest our time. We have to give the we have to spend lot of time and hard work. Then only we can learn the passive income smoothly. Okay. So for example, you can start a side hustle. So side hustle link I have given. There are 54 ideas to create the side hustle. Okay. You want me to link click? I'll click on that. There are 54 ideas they have given. So deliver for door dash, blogging, online surveys. So lot of 54 types: ebook publishing, online freelancing. So teach English online. Okay. If you refer this, you can get more ideas. Okay. And second point, so passive income can be earned in two ways. So first is to make your money work for you, and the second we have to spend time on that. And here's how to create passive income with no money. So we can create an information product. Uh, so information product, we have you have expertise in any particular subject, you can create an information product and sell it through online. So you can get the passive income. So this could be a course or guide or an ebook. Okay. So second thing is write a Kindle ebook. So another popular way to earn passive income with no money down is to write an ebook and sell it on Amazon through the KDP program. So if your Kindle ebook is priced at 2.99 to $9.99, you will receive a 70% of royalty income. So on the sale price of each book. Okay. When your book is priced below $2.99 or above $9.99, you will only receive a 30% royalty. Okay. And third thing is sell stock photos. If you are a freelance photographer or just enjoy taking photos and are good at it, you can earn a passive income selling your stock photos through a lot of sites. You can check with them and get the commission based on that. You can get the contract. Okay. And fourth point is consider multi-level marketing, MLM. Okay. Amway, like that. You can you can register with them and you can earn the money passive income. So sell your class note. Are you a college student? If your answer is yes and you happen to be a to be an excellent note taker, you can sell your class notes for passive income. And here I have mentioned list of 6 passive income ideas. So rental income, dividend income, interest income, royalty income, paid subscription, and online income. So rental income we can get it through like real estate property, okay, real estate, and online sale, advertisement income, affiliate income we will get from blog or website, okay. Royalty, photography or ebook, dividend, equity, stock market, interest, debt instruments, deposits, and service income we can earn through freelancing, okay. These are the main 6 ideas to make passive income through online, okay, through online or photography sources, photography or ebook, equity, stock market, and deposits, bank deposits, freelancing, and rent based on the real estate property, okay. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed our 5 days WhatsApp class. Please subscribe my channel Blog Bind Blog, okay, and watch all the videos and give me support and share the videos and like the videos. Thank you very much. Bye. Take care.